To all the formulators out there, here's a note to you. If you have just started or you're planning to make your way in the world of beauty formulations, then stay tuned for some advice coming from professionals that is going to help you lead with integrity and help you with your business in the long run. First of all, be clear and transparent. The first and most important responsibility of a formulator or any professional for that matter is to be true to his or her words. Don't lie about the composition of your formula or the content of your products to the buyer. Never deceive your clients or make unrealistic promises like get fair skin or look 10 years younger. Second, own your claims. Another major duty of a formulator is to be fact sound, avoid unnecessary exaggerations that lack real basis. For example, if you say your product is safer and cheaper than your competitors, then you must have a proof to state this claim. It may be easier said than done, but it is also the foundation step of long-lasting customer trust. Third, be educated. As a formulator, people are putting their trust in you. So spreading misinformation is as bad as lying to your clients. Be committed to your products. Be educated about the ingredients, compositions, formulas and processes. This step is to back yourself up with necessary tools before you start your journey to become a well-established brand. Fourth, be professional. When you're just starting out as a beauty formulator, you are naive, underconfident and uncertain. We totally get it. But the key is to act as a professional right from the start of your career. If you handle things in a professional manner, you'll easily stand out and grow faster than your competitors. By becoming a formulator, you have decided to choose a career that is fulfilling and demanding at the same time. Your creativity and passion would be put to its best use, but so will be your integrity. When a common person or non-formulator decides to buy a product, they put their trust in that brand. So it completely depends upon the brand to be honest, open and transparent regarding their products to the buyers of their products. We are not going to hold back while saying that many popular brands inside or outside of the beauty industries are straight up lying regarding the compositions and effects of their products. Never do that. Instead, be honest, be clear, not only for the sake of the people who trust you, but for yourself too. Also, be educated and fact sound because formulation is a journey and not a destination. No matter how much you learn through patience, things keep changing all the time. If anyone ever comes to question you, you have already got the stats ready with you, saving you from any embarrassment or awkward situations. And lastly, be a professional. You are taking a formulation as a career, not a hobby. And careers demand professionalism. If you don't want to come across a naive, unsure beginner and would love to be taken seriously, then right from the start, get used to dealing with clients, team members, investors, anyone and everyone crossing your path in a well-mannered professional way. And remember, as a part of Learn Canyon family, we are always here to help you and support you in your formulation journey. At Learn Canyon, we have been mentoring new formulators for the past 3 years. We are here to help you, guide you and educate you into becoming an individual and professional beauty formulator. Specialize in a stream of beauty and see yourself as a professional formulator in a matter of months. Visit our website to join our school. See you.